Most people don't talk about depression, not because they don't feel it, but because they feel it every single day. If you're watching this right now, there's a high chance you're tired, not physically, but mentally. And let me tell you something important before we begin. You are not weak, you are not broken, you are human. Depression is not just sadness, it's waking up tired even after sleeping, it's smiling outside and breaking inside, it's wanting to do better but feeling completely stuck. Depression makes you overthink the past, fear the future, and hate the present. And the worst part, it lies to you. It tells you that you're alone. It tells you that you're useless. It tells you that things will never change. But listen to me carefully. Depression is a liar. People don't become depressed because they're lazy. They become depressed because they've been strong for too long. Too many expectations, too many failures, too much comparison, too little rest. Social media shows success but hides struggle, so you start thinking everyone else is winning while you're falling behind. But life is not a race, and healing is not a competition. The biggest mistake people make during depression is isolating themselves. They stop talking, they stop sharing, they stop asking for help. They think, I don't want to be a burden. Let me say this clearly. You are not a burden. You are a human being who needs support. Even the strongest people need someone to listen. You don't have to fix your entire life today. Just take one small step. Talk to someone you trust. Go outside for 10 minutes. Drink water. Sleep properly. Stop being so hard on yourself. Progress during depression is slow, and that's okay. Healing doesn't mean you're happy every day. Don't beat up on yourself. Remember this, bad days do not mean bad life. Right now, this pain will never end. Feelings change, situations change, life changes. You may not see the light yet. That doesn't mean it doesn't exist. If no one told you today, your life is not over. If this video helped you even a little, like it, subscribe to Giuseppe Novi. You're not alone in this fight. I'm better days. Even if you